In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the critical path in a Gantt chart using Monday.com. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's take a moment to understand what a critical path actually is and why it's essential in project management. In the realm of managing projects, the critical path refers to the sequence of dependent tasks that determine the shortest possible duration to complete a project. By identifying the critical path, project managers can pinpoint which tasks directly impact the deadline, giving them a clearer picture of where delays could potentially extend the project timeline. It's an invaluable tool for keeping projects on track and ensuring timely delivery. Now that we have a firm grasp on its importance, let's get down to the practical side of things. You're going to see just how easy it is to display the critical path within a Gantt chart on Monday.com. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to your Gantt chart view. If you're not already in this view, you can select it from the options available on your project dashboard. Once there, keep an eye out for the three dots icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of your Gantt chart. Go ahead and click on that icon. After clicking, you'll see a drop-down menu appears, offering a variety of choices. From these options, you'll want to select Settings. This will bring up a list of settings specific to the Gantt chart. Here is where the magic begins. Among these settings, look for the Critical Path option. Once you've found it, select it to proceed. Now here's the final touch. After selecting Critical Path, you'll notice an option labeled Show Critical Path. By clicking on this, you will activate this visual feature. Instantly, the critical path will be highlighted in red right before your eyes on the Gantt chart. This visual cue helps you immediately identify the critical tasks that are pivotal to your project's timeline, allowing you to manage and monitor these tasks more effectively. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to display the critical path in a Gantt chart on Monday.com. With this visual aid now implemented, you'll have a better grasp of your project's flow and be well positioned to make informed management decisions. Remember, managing the critical path effectively is crucial to ensuring your project not only stays on schedule, but also meets its objectives smoothly. As you continue to work with this powerful tool, you'll find that it can greatly enhance your project management capabilities. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.